Actually, with 3D scanning, it allowed us to even build our brand. Without that, it would not be possible. Precision is actually everything for us.
We are PPF Kits. We develop and produce pre-cut paint protection films in the automotive sector. Our main product is basically just a film cut to fit the car panels exactly, and we ship them together with installation tools, so it's basically a DIY product ready to install.
We started around 5 years ago, mainly for Tesla vehicles. We moved on around 2 years ago to develop the pre-cut kits for all brands and models. In our day-to-day work, precision is really important, especially when we develop the kits. They need less than a millimeter precision accuracy. One of the biggest challenges nowadays is to capture these complex 3D curvatures of modern cars. Our workflow before the use of 3D scanners was manual work with painter's tape applied to a car or film applied to a car, painting around the outlines.
Which worked at the time, but of course it isn't scalable. It's always a rinse and repeat because it doesn't fit the first time. As soon as we wanted to expand into more cars, it was not the way to go. We ship DIY products. It's extremely important that the customers don't have to do any cutting at all. It should just fit right out of the box, and this is exactly what 3D scanning has allowed us to do.
We compared at least 20 different scanners, and we then decided for the Rigil as our first scanner. Rigil is the perfect scanner actually. We love to use it, especially the wireless functionality was super simple to use. We went in the showrooms, went to the car dealerships, scanned the cars, but there was just one factor that limited us in our use: speed.
At best we could do 1, maybe 2 a day, which is why we quickly looked for another solution. That's when we got back to the Shining team and told them about the problem. They presented us the FreeScan Trak Nova. They gave us a little demo there. We could try it out ourselves. They told us about the pros and cons. And of course, it was quite an expensive upgrade, but we still decided to purchase it the same day and take it home with us.
Especially with the tracking-based system, the Nova allows us to have full freedom of motion, especially on these 3D curvatures. You don't need to put any markers in all of the little details on the car's front bumper, for example. It just moves freely, it captures perfectly, especially with black and shiny surfaces. It's a metrology-grade accuracy scanner, so of course it's better and faster than with the Rigil. And with the Nova it allows us to scan multiple cars a day, super fast, and we love it. If there is new car facelift, for example, coming out, and there's just smaller parts that are updated, like a trunk lid or a rear bumper or front bumper, then the Rigil is actually perfect. You don't have to bring your whole setup, you scan it quickly. Sometimes we scan even on spot. We see a car on the street, we miss some parts, we miss the door seals, we miss a mirror, and we run out with the Rigil, talk to the owner and scan it there on spot. Especially the latest update from the Rigil was amazing for us. We couldn't believe that they added more than 20 more laser lines as a software update.
When we started out with the Rigil, it was already a great experience. We were completely blown away. Apart from being exactly what we need for our work, it's also just a cool thing to play around with.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.